guys, so I'm feeling a lot better today than I have in a few days. I'm still coughing a lot. Oh, sorry, my mascara. But yeah, I'm feeling tons better. Trust me, I am. My voice is coming back completely, which is exciting, because yesterday I was having trouble talking. I'm still coughing, but I feel like I may have had bronchitis, but I never went to the doctor. So I'm self-diagnosing myself with bronchitis because I get it quite often every year. Every year I get it. It's probably bronchitis, but I'm pretty sure it's gone, or going. I hate being sick. But I'm going to go take a nap. Sorry, my hair is a mess because I haven't taken my braids out yet. And I'm not wearing my makeup right now because it is 9:30 in the morning and I don't need to wear makeup right now. But I am going to go lay down because I am tired and I still need sleep. I go into work at like 4 today, so I had to pick Lily up for the bus and then get ready for work. And yeah, so how's your day going? I hope you guys aren't getting sick or anything. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, you guys.